أَأَشْفَقْتُمْ? Oh, so you were all scared, huh? أَن تُقَدِّمُوا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ نَجْوَاكُمْ صَدَقَاتٍ? That you should have to give charity right before you get to hold your meeting? فَإِذْ لَمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَتَابَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْكُمْ. Then if you didn't do so and Allah has pardoned you and Allah has accepted your repentance, فَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ. Then establish salat, give zakah, obey Allah and His Messenger, وَاللَّهُ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ. And Allah is complete, has full news of what you're up to. أَلَمْ تَرَ إِلَى الَّذِينَ تَوَلَّوْا قَوْمًا غَضِبَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِمْ. Have you not looked towards those, a nation who's turned away? Now there are specifically people who turned away from meeting with the Prophet ﷺ with the wrong intentions. Because Allah is talking on a character level. There are people who've turned away from this mission. They're only part of this mission superficially. The hypocrites. Allah is angry at them. مَا هُمْ مِنْكُمْ وَلَا مِنْهُمْ. They're not really from you and they're not from them anymore either. Since they declared Islam, the kuffar don't see them as one of them, and their Islam isn't genuine Islam, so they're not quite with you either. They're stuck in the middle. وَيَحْلِفُونَ عَلَى الْكَذِبِ. And they take oaths. They take hilf, they take oaths based on lies. وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ. And they know what they're doing. They're doing this purposely.